Hi my lovely friends, I hope you are well. Lately I've been making these cute little creations using air dry clay. They look lovely, but they're quite fragile. So I decided to use another kind of clay. Today I'm trying polymer clay for the first time. It needs baking, but it's meant to be much stronger. Polymer clay is a bit more expensive than the air dry clay, so I decided to try these 3 different brands. This one is expensive, one more expensive one, the other one is mid-range, and one more budget-friendly. I'll make the same mushrooms with each one and see how they turn out after baking. If they all feel the same, of course, I'm going to go with the cheaper one. Let's open the medium price brand first. The texture feels okay. Smooth enough to work with. Now the expensive one. Oh, this is so soft. It feels like butter. So soft. I love it. Now let's try the cheaper brand. It's really hard. Not soft at all. I don't know. Maybe it's one of those type that need warming up. For today clay art, I'm using these molds to create that cute mushroom shape. This part adds texture to the back of the mushroom. Let's start with clay number 2, the medium brand. So far, pretty nice. Soft enough. And it holds shape very well. The back texture came out okay. I'm going to use a scissor to trim the edge. I'm not sure if that's allowed, but it works. Now clay number 3, the cheapest one. I know some polymer clays are very hard, so the way to work around with them, you need to cut them in little pieces just to work with it. My hands are aching now. To be honest, it's not molding well and didn't capture the texture in the back. So I manually add some texture with my tools instead. Your effort matters. Your hands carry kindness. Let yourself enjoy each part of the process. finally, the clay number 1, the fancy one. I left it at the end because I was scared if the color goes to my mold and my hands, and that affect the other colors. Okay, let's get started. To start with, I'll have to say it's so soft and smooth. We are all learning together, growing together. Every new step brings new magic. And look, the mold picked all the little details. I love the result. So far, I'm leaning toward the soft one, but let's see after the oven test. Okay, my friends, now it's time to bake them. I'm very excited to see how each one of these turns out. You are part of a creative, loving world. Thank you for being here. I hope I see you in the next video. Until then, stay inspired and stay kind. Love you.